Are you tired of messy spreadsheets and constant manual tracking? Many businesses struggle to stay compliant with revenue recognition standards. Say goodbye to chaos and frustration? Introducing Synder RevRec, the automated solution for revenue recognition. It integrates seamlessly with your Stripe account or Excel for effortless tracking of your subscriptions. Enjoy automated revenue allocation, ensuring full GAAP and ASC 606 compliance. Receive real-time updates for all subscription changes without the headache. Here are 3 solid reasons to choose Synder RevRec. First, you get automatic subscription tracking that updates in real time. Second, our software guarantees GAAP-compliant revenue recognition. Finally, gain clear insights with our waterfall reports, showing recognized revenue over time. Synder stands out with a direct sync to QuickBooks Online, simplifying your accounting process like no other solution. Plus, we prioritize your security with industry-standard encryption and compliance. Ready to take control of your revenue recognition? Book a demo today and see how Synder RevRec can transform your business. Don't wait. Automate your revenue recognition now and focus on what you do best. Let's streamline your finance processes.